we're gonna do some educational and instructional videos about some exercises that focuses on our abdominal muscles. So the first exercise we're gonna do is toe taps, and this is the step-by-step on how you do it. First, lay on your back, knees bent. Lay on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees. Then feet off the ground. Then slowly lower your one foot to tap the toes of the floor. Then switch legs, and you do it for 10 counts. And the muscles that are gonna be used in this exercise is your hip flexors and lower abs. Then the bones are the pelvis, tibia, femur, and torso. And the anatomical movements that are going to be used in this exercise are hip flexion, knee flexion, and ankle wrist flexion. And you do it for 3 repetitions.
Wow!
And the second exercise we're going to do is air bike, also known as bicycle crunches. This is the first step-by-step on how you do it. First, lay on your back, hands behind your head, bring knee up and lift shoulder off the ground. Touch your right elbow, left knee while straightening the right leg, like this. Then switch leg like pedaling bike. And then you do it for 10 counts and 3 repetitions. And the muscles that are going to be used in this exercise are ab, especially obliques and hip flexors. Both are vertebral column, pelvis, femur, and tibia.
Wow!
And the third exercise will be side hip raises. This is a step-by-step on how you do it. First, lay on one side with legs straight. Slowly lift your top leg up, then lower it. Keep your hips tucked and your core tight. Then do it for 10 counts and 3 repetitions. And the muscles that are going to be involved in this exercise are outer thighs and glutes. And the bones involved are pelvis and femur. And the anatomical movements are hip abduction, hip external rotation, and pelvis stabilization.
Wow!
The fourth one is sitting twist. This is the step-by-step on how you do it. First, sit on the floor with your knees bent and flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Clasp hands together in front of you. Twist your upper body to the left, then to the right. Repeat the movement slowly. Do this in 10 counts and 3 repetitions. The muscles involved are abdominals and lower back. The bones involved are spine and pelvis, and the anatomical movement are trunk rotation.
Wow!
The fifth exercise is flutter kicks. To do this step-by-step, lie down flat on your back with hands under your hips. Second, lift both legs in a few inches of the floor, like this. Quickly kick your legs up, down in alternating motions. Keep your core tight and back flat. Do it for 10 counts and 3 repetitions. The muscles involved in this exercise are lower abs, hip flexors, leg muscles, or squats. The bones involved in this exercise are pelvis, femur or thigh bones, and spine. The anatomical movements are hip flexion and extensions.
Wow!
The last exercise that he will do is leg pull-in. To do this is the step-by-step. Sit on the floor with hands behind you for support, like this. Lean back slightly and lift both feet off the floor. Pull knee towards your chest. Extend legs straight out, then pull back in. Do this in 10 counts and 3 repetitions. The muscles involved are abdominals, hips, flexors, and thighs. The bones are spine, pelvis, and femur. The anatomical movement are hip and knee flexion and extension.
Wow!
Thank you for watching, guys. By the way, my name is Nelly and this is my partner.
J-Rod, thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.